Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Xbox app and signing in with the exact Microsoft account you use on the console. This links your clips. Once signed in, make sure Windows and the Xbox app are up to date so clip syncing works reliably. Next, enable network discovery and allow the Xbox app through your firewall. Otherwise, your PC can't see the console. These steps establish the connection and permissions needed before you try to transfer or view any recorded game clips. Once done signing in and enabling permissions, open the Xbox Apps Captures or Game DVR area to view console clips. You'll see a list of recorded game clips from your Xbox Cloud. Click the Console Captures filter if necessary, then select the clip you want to get on PC. Use the Download button to save locally or share to open save options. Make sure your Xbox has finished uploading captures. If not, wait a few minutes and refresh so the newest clips appear. After downloading, choose a clear folder so you can find clips for editing or streaming. Convert the file only if your editor needs a different codec. If you plan to edit, move clips into a project folder and back them up to cloud storage. If a clip won't appear, make sure the Xbox actually uploaded it. Check auto upload settings on the console and confirm a stable internet connection. If problems persist, sign out and back into the Xbox app and re-enable network permissions to force a sync.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.